Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Nakamoto Games charts and we're going to see where it might be headed, and we will cover both bullish and bearish scenarios as well, just to simply cover all of the possibilities. Now, for those of you who love trading crypto futures and would like to try out the same exchange that I use on a daily basis, feel free to go ahead and try out the Blowfin exchange with the link in the video description down below this video. Now, one of the biggest reasons why I love using this exchange is because they allow anybody from anywhere to be able to sign up and trade crypto futures. So if you are from the United States and you want to trade crypto futures, you can do it right here on the Blowfin exchange. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at Nakamoto Games, see what we got going on here. But first thing I want to show you real quick is it is not just Nakamoto Games that is dropping, okay? This is the overall gaming sector in crypto right now. And as you guys can clearly see, we peaked out here at a market cap of around, let's see here, of around roughly 30, I don't know why I can't get that to stick. Right, well, we're just right around $40 billion or so, and we have been dropping ever since. Literally from the mid-March or so, ever since mid-March when we created that high in market cap of around $40 million, we've just been straight dropping. The entire crypto gaming space has been completely dropping. It is not just Nakamoto Games, you guys, okay? So when you are into Nakamoto Games or you're looking into Nakamoto Games, you can't look at it and think to yourself, oh, this coin sucks, okay? It does not suck, all right? It's the entire gaming sector that is bleeding right now, and that has been bleeding for months on end, and you can see it right here on the chart as well. I mean, it has literally just been bleeding for months on end, all right? Literally every single coin is down big time from its current cycle high, all right? So the other thing I want to show you real quick is the overall gaming sector as well. This is a website that shows the overall performance of every major sector in the crypto market. And as you guys can clearly see, we've got gaming back here, and it is currently performing at negative 6% right now. And that is absolutely terrible. Okay, so this is just another show of proof that overall the entire gaming sector as a whole is completely dumping right now. It is not just Nakamoto Games, okay? Now, the other thing I want to show you guys real quick is the overall block explorer of Nakamoto Games as well, okay? So I am currently holder number 99 as of right now, okay? This is my current bag of Nakamoto Games, all right? Now, here's the thing, okay? The thing that I've been noticing with Nakamoto Games is the only people who have been selling are people who have 20,000 tokens or less, okay? I have been watching the block explorer for Nakamoto Games for a couple months now, and literally the only people that have been selling are the people who have 20,000 tokens or less. Every single one of these large holders within the top 100 has been doing nothing but accumulating and buying more ever since we started dropping. So it is not the reason why we're dropping has nothing to do with the big whales that are into the project, because the big whales have been doing nothing but accumulating the entire time. In fact, I am currently at number 99. Guys, I used to be up in the top 80s at one point in time, okay? So this just goes to show that more and more people have been accumulating and more people have been buying, at least the large holders have anyway, which has pushed me personally down all the way to the number 99 spot. So realistically here, there are a lot of people still buying, okay? It's just the big whales that are buying. The smaller investors who have been putting money into Nakamoto Games, they're the ones that are getting impatient. They're the ones that are constantly selling. So it is not a matter of the large holders or the large people who have a lot of tokens, okay? So keep that in mind when you're thinking about buying Nakamoto Games as well. But let's go ahead and take a look at the charts and see what we've got going on here as far as the charts are concerned. So as you guys can clearly see, we have got all the major daily support and resistance levels marked out here, all right? We've got a current cycle high of around, let's see here, we've got a current cycle high of pretty much right around the $3.45 area. Then we've got another level here at $2.90. We've got another level here at $2.11. Another major level here at $1.75. Another one at $1.34. And we are currently trading within the range of 89 cents and $1.34. And as you guys can clearly see, we are just continuing this downtrend further and further and further, it seems. But again, that's the entire gaming sector. It's not just Nakamoto Games, okay? Literally all it's going to take for Nakamoto Games to take off is, it doesn't even have to be something related to Nakamoto Games, okay? It could literally be just one game within the entire gaming sector that takes off, and then it's going to, all kinds of people are going to start throwing liquidity into all kinds of different games in the gaming space, and they're going to be hoping for, another game to take off like this other game took off, okay? That's typically how it works. But right now, as far as what we're looking at, there is simply more people that are selling than there are buying, okay? There's simply not enough small token holders that are accumulating more. In fact, there are more, like I was mentioning earlier, there are more small holders that are continuing to sell than the amount of people that are continuing to buy. So that is why price is continuing to drop. It's just simple supply and demand dynamics, okay? So realistically here, we've got major support down here, 89 cents. We need to be able to hold that. If we are not able to hold that, there is a good strong chance we could end up coming down to all the way down to the 61 cent level, which would be absolutely terrible considering, I mean, look at how much work we did. Look at how high we went, you guys. I mean, we spent all of 2023 going straight up, and then everybody just starts to lose steam all of a sudden out of the middle of nowhere and just starts to get emotional and starts selling like crazy. And they've been selling like crazy ever since and taking away all of these big gains, which is kind of terrible. But anyway, we've got support down here that we created here on this high back in September of 2023, and then we hit the low right then there and right in mid-October of 2023 as well. So we are soon to be down to October of 2023 area, which is pretty bad in my personal opinion, all right? But in a bullish scenario, what we want to see happen is it would be nice to see, us be able to hold this 89 cent level down here and eventually break up back up to the upside and then start creating some, higher lows and start breaking through all of these resistance levels back up to the upside in a nice, simple fashion like we did way back here. We created all kinds of higher lows on the way up every single time. Higher low here, higher low here, higher low here, higher low there, and then we came back down for a correction, and then we had another higher low here, and then another higher low here, and we just continued that very, very nicely all the way up to the upside. We need to see that again, because currently right now we are doing nothing but creating lower and lower highs each time and continuing to drop, okay? So realistically though, we are coming down to being in extremely oversold territory here on the daily chart as well. So let's just hope for sake that when we do end up reaching this level down here, we do end up having a bounce, and hopefully that bounce happens right around the 89 cent level and we can continue and start to move upwards once again. All right, that is the ultimate hope for everybody in Nakamoto Games. But realistically, we all just want to see Nakamoto Games perform well. This is a team that has been absolutely crushing it on every single marketing platform that pretty much exists, and a company that has literally been creating all kinds of games for the blockchain gaming space, and they are about to have a mobile app come out as well. So we are all waiting for that also. So guys, before I go ahead and wrap up this video, if you guys enjoyed this one and you feel like you got some decent value out of it, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button below the video, and leave me a comment below on your personal thoughts on where you think the price of Naka is going to go here in the short to midterm. And hey guys, for those of you guys who stuck around and watched this entire video throughout the whole thing, thank you guys very much. I appreciate all of you for watching, and I hope to see all of you in my future videos as well.